We are at the Members of Color Conference.
I'm looking forward to building and deepening community.
I'm looking forward towards doing a lot of networking.
Empowerment.
Yes.
The crowd was welcoming and kind, and it showed me the power of solidarity. They don't know me, but I'm one of them in a way, and I'm just grateful for the opportunity. So it felt really good in my heart to be able to be here.
Hi, my name is Brendan Mitchell. I'm an Associate Director in Human Rights and Community Relations at the AFT. I'm here today for the History of Race and Labor here at the NYSUT Mocca Conference. Really excited to be here to not only talk about the history, but what it means when we take it into the future and the fight ahead.
The reason why we have so much fun is because we need to have joy. And you always want to have joy, whether you formally establish an affinity group within your local or within your school, establish some sort of networking group.
We do so many fun things after the work. However, there it is. We did community service. When I tell you they take us out, we go out. We hang out. We do so many fun things. But we really became a family. We have a group chat. We have a playlist of songs related to social justice issues. And we really, really, really love each other.
Because that's the power that we